Wait, did you know that you can sell your art or your designs as a print on demand for free without paying a dim or peso? Yeah, I think you get me correct. You get me right. So the first website we're going to talk about is called Redbubble. So go to your internet, then you search for Redbubble. So you just search for Redbubble. Know that the first link that will appear here, it is https then /www.redbubble.com. Know that it should be like that, else don't click on it. If it isn't like that, don't click on it. So you click on this one. So when you come here, you see that you can sell your art and the rest. You have sell art, you have login. You click on, if you are coming to sell your art here, or you come to sell your designs, you click on the sell your art. Then you click on start selling. Then you sign up here. If you don't have an account, you sign up. If you have an account, then you sign in. Unfortunately, you click on artist sign up. Then you log in with your details and the rest. So this is the first website that we are talking about. And the second website we are going to talk about is called Spring. So here's the website. It's called spring.orange. So I think I'll leave all the I'll leave all the links below this video under the description, so you can go and check up on them. So Spring, you also just click on create an account, start creating. Then also you have to sign up with your brand name and the rest, as you did for the Redbubble. Very simple, right? So the third website I'm going to talk about is, I hope you all understand whatever I say here. If you don't understand anything, please try your best to leave your comments in the comment section. I'll come and read and reply and answer everybody. Try your best. And the third website I'm going to talk about is called TeePublic. So this is also a website that helps you sell design. So here you can see here, very nice, right? You can see here. So when you want to sell design, you just click on the artist sign up. Don't click on the create account, click on the artist sign up. Anyway, you can click on that one. Then here you can sell all your designs. Yeah, just input your email, then you start everything. So anyway, also you can come and buy shirts here, then they'll print it for you. For instance, let's search for Lenzo. This artist shirt is very nice. Let's search for one of his shops. Shirt is very nice. Oh fuck, it didn't came. Okay then, so you can see here are some of the designs you can go in for. I think there was a shirt. Forgot. Anyway, there are shirts here you can go and find. I'll link some links below. You can go and find them as well. If you want to create an account, you can go and find them. If you want to shop there too, you can come and shop here. You can come and shop at Redbubble, Spring, and TeePublic as well. So the last shop we're going to talk about is called Amazon. Yeah, heard me right, Amazon. Amazon. Amazon also has a workplace, selling place where you can sell your shirts and the rest, printed shirts. So you have Amazon merch, that's called Amazon merch. So here you can sell all your shirts. I'm not talking about this one. So you click on shirt. click on the shirt. It will bring you. Here are some of the shirts. If you want to sell a shirt, most of the time it's very, very difficult for you to sell a shirt. Yes, you just click on this one. You click on sign. First of all, you have to sign in. After signing in, then you go to Amazon Mesh. Yeah, print on demand. After that, you click on that. Then you sign up on that one too. Then after that, you are done with everything. They will accept you. If they only accept you, then praise God. If they don't accept you, you can also go into this website I've already discussed with you, the TeePublic, Spring, and the Redbubble. They are all available and they're free. You don't need to take care of any customer care of anything. You need to hire no printer or you just sell your designs. Just go upload your designs, then you are all done. You are all done. There's no need for you to think of shipping and the rest. That's what I'm saying. I said we are come to discuss about free ways to sell your design for free without thinking of anything. There are websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and the rest, but this site you're going to think of take off the the shipping and the customer service. So I think this is the best website for you all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, comment and share this video to other people who may need to start their career as a print on demand. Who want to start their career on print on demand, selling their shirt and making thousands of dollars a month. Nice. Peace.